Mon véhicule est équipé de pneus hiver. Je dois installer des pneus à neige. Oui, A. No, B. So let's analyze this question with the pictures and the question that we are seeing under it. You know, the way we analyze here on this page is by me breaking down each word in English meaning, then later on we put them together to form a complete sentence. Mon véhicule is what? My vehicle. Equip is what? Is equipped. Des pneus hiver with winter tires. Je dois means I must. Installer means install. The chain and neige means snow chains. So now let's put them together. My vehicle is equipped with winter tires. I must install snow chains. If you know the answer, drop your answer in the comments below. So now, from the picture, what can you see? We can see that there is a lot of snows around in this picture, and there is a panel of what? Obligatoire of a chain and edge. So you can see from that panel, you should know that it is a must for you to put what? The chain and edge, despite the fact that your tire is a winter tire. It does not stop you from still putting the chain because of that panel. That panel oblige you. That symbol oblige you to put it. So therefore, the answer to this question is A. If you are still watching this video to this time and you have not subscribed or followed me, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit the likes button. Subscribe to this channel for more analysis of your code de la route question like this. And if you wish to join the multitude of people that is passing through my class to pass the code de la route without stress, because this is the way I will teach you, where you can be able to have enough time to understand and answer all the 40 questions that you are going to treat in the question of code de la route. Reach out to me to join my private class. See you in my next video. Bye.